Hello people and welcome to the build. Today we'll be building my MSI new gaming PC. Right, so to start things off, we will be removing my Asus Z270H from the box of my old desktop PC. Need to get that out along with the processor and the my thermal unit here. So I'm just going to be removing that first, and then we can get the build going. So I've got 9 of these screws, Phillips heads I need to get out. So I'm going to be doing that, and you can come back and catch me when the ball's out. There's 1, 2, that's number 3. Number 4's out the door. Got number 5 out. Number 6. And there goes number 7. Right, so now that all the screws are out, and I have removed my fan, which I should have done at the beginning, but I forgot. I've taken it out now. All the screws are out. I've removed the back plate, which is also a necessity that you must do before trying to remove your board. Now, I'm not going to take the cooler off, because if I do that, I'll have to firmware paste the processor again, which I do not want to do. As you can see, that's all nasty already done under there, so I don't want to be getting too involved with that. So now it's time to just lift it out and screw it into the new case. And there we have our board. Beautiful, stunning thing, isn't it? Stream effects on there. PCIe. Sorry, speak sense. I've got 8 GB of RAM in there. I'm going to upgrade that at some point to 16. Right, so here we have our new gaming case. This is where I'm going to be sticking all the little bits inside. So let's get going. Right, so the first thing we're going to do is get our backing plate put in. You should just be able to push this firmly in. It should. Let's clip into position. Right, so now that's in place. Get on to installing the motherboard. We have the new board installed, nicely snugly fitted in there. Time to get some cable management going. Right, so next up we're going to be doing our case cables, which are the power on and off LED and all of those up there. So they need to connect down to here on the motherboard. Those little pins you see there. So I'm just going to get that done quickly. Alright, so there we go. I've connected all our chassis wires in there, and I've got the speaker cable done. So that is just literally your speaker, like when Windows has an issue and it just goes ding, it's a noise or something. That's what that does, that little speaker there. So yeah, that's our chassis done. Next, time for the power supply. For my power supply, I've gone with the Corsair CX650M, and it's fully modular, so it helps with cable management. So yeah, gonna get this installed now. Let's get it in. Right, so my CX650 is installed. The wire management is all over the place, but it's all done, it's all in. And that's the front side. Just got this next, which is my graphics card. That's all that needs to go in next, and we're done. Get it powered up. Hopefully it just works. Right, so now it's time to install our MSI 1660 Super Graphics card. Let's get into it. First off, make sure you've got enough space in your case to fit the card. Then remove any of these that you need to remove. Mine is a double card, so I need to take out 2 of those. And let's get it installed. So first things first, we want to start off by taking off the protective cover that comes on all brand new graphics cards. Just remove that plastic cover there. Lovely jubbly. Right. My motherboard does come with a little button you have to depress before trying to install the card. Some motherboards don't, a lot of them do, but here we go. Let's make sure that's out of the way, as you can see. So it's disengaged. Lovely. And there we go. Right, so we've got our graphics card nicely installed in there, snugly fitted, beautiful.
What is that on that E? Oh.
All I've got to do now is stick my 8-pin connector in. Some graphics cards do only need 6. This is why it comes with a 6, but mine needs 8, so it comes with 2 plus on there. Just 2, 6 next to it. Lovely. Make sure that's nicely in. There we go. Now I do have one fan there for cooling the CPU. We have a chassis fan at the back, chassis fan at the front. I do have this spare one here that I'm just going to stick in just to have in the case, just spinning, keeping it extra cool. The graphics card does come with 2 of its own, so the cooling on this should be pretty good. And obviously there is one also on the bottom, on the take this panel off, you can see I've got one there on the power supply unit coming out of the bottom there. So yeah, lovely jubbly. So let's get the case put back on, turn it on and see if it blows up. So we have our case on. Time now to see if it powers up. All systems are go.